Hi guys, now we are in Candi Gedong Songo, 1 hour drive from Semarang. The ticket is 15,000 rupiah for local and foreigner is 75,000 rupiah. So let's dive in. So it's 4-kilometer walk. So we are here. And the Candi is here. 4 kilometers. So we have the Candi 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Paket.
Ya, kalau
Maksudnya?
yang satu paket itu ini 120.
Kemana aja tuh Pak?
Itu full semua candi, Mbak.
Full semua candi, jadi candi 1 sampai candi 5 dikelilingin.
Tapi
Kalau itu juga ya Pak Kawat.
ya, kalau berat badan 70 nyampe 88, 150. kalau
kita sudah.
kalau Wisman juga
Enggak, saya baru 60.
Oh ya udah.
Wah, banyak loh ini. So taking this horse.
ya.
So on my right is Arabica coffee and on my left is Robusta coffee. Look at the horse. Hi guys, now we are on the 5th Candi. So we're gonna have a look at the Candi. So look at the horse. She's so happy after being released. Devi, let's meet Devi. Okay, this is Devi. She's good. Devi is only 4 years old. The Hindus usually they come every year. They come to have prayers in this area. So this is the Candi. This is the statue, the Hindu statue. Looks like we have another Candi over there, and another Candi far behind there. So later we are going to go there. And you can see some smokes there. It's a hot spring. So this is Candi number 5. 5th Candi. So this Gedong Songo. Songo in Javanese means 9. Gedong means building. So this is Gedong Songo. During the 8th century, when Hinduism is the main religion in Java, they have many candis all over Java island. But now this place, they don't know when this candi actually exists. So we're gonna head to another Candi. This area is breathtaking. So we're heading to our next stop, the next Candi. So we stop for a while. Devi wants to poop. That's her poop. this is the hot spring. So this is the hot spring. So the hot air is keep coming out from this outlet. And we have the hot spring down there. So basically this area is the hot spring. So it's almost similar what I went to in Dieng. Maybe you can check out the hot spring at the link up there. So very strong sulfuric acid. And you can see the gas is coming out from the hole. Yeah, it's coming out from here. This is really nice. So this is Candi number 3. This is one of the beautiful Candi here among the 5. So when going to this Candi, I need to wear the sarong like this. Okay, this is sarong I'm supposed to wear. Because among the 5 Candi, maybe this is the most sacred Candi among the 5, so I need to wear sarong. It's a respect to the Hinduism religion. So in Yang also is similar, I wear sarong as well. So I think I need to move on to the next Candi. We're going to the Candi number 2. So this is Candi number 2. Candi number 2. Hi. So normally the Hindu from Bali, they will pray, make ritual prayer in that cave. So this is Candi number 1. So behind me there's Candi number 1. That's the last Candi. It's the end of our journey.